Hi
Hey
guys!
everyone.
We have a fun video today.
We thought we would switch things up.
So today we are going to have our cameraman Martin
What?
do my makeup.
No.
And I'm gonna play cameraman.
Yes, so we're gonna like literally put him to the test. All these years he's been doing our videos and
Oh,
he's been
God.
editing. Like, I mean, has he been paying attention to anything he's been doing?
Yeah. So you need to put him to the test on like terminology and everything when
Everything.
he's doing your makeup.
Jesus.
Come on, Martin.
All right.
It's time.
Let's switch.
Okay.
Woo!
Oh, God.
You guys, this is Martin's.
Hi, everyone.
He's our Moda bro.
These seats are really low. Jeez.
And I know, right? We need better seats. So now he is going to be doing my makeup.
Okay. Well, where's your makeup?
I'm going to give you all the things that you're going to need. And we're going to see how well you do.
Okay.
You ready?
All right. Kinda. That's a lot. There's a lot of stuff in there.
I'll help you by picking out just some like essentials.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay?
You pick the essentials, and then I can go from there because I
Okay.
can't. There's just too much in there for me to determine.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not going to guide you, but I will answer questions if you have them.
Well, I have many questions, but I know that foundation
You're
is
allowed
first.
3 questions.
No! Foundation is first. Obviously, you need a good foundation. Duh.
Okay, I am actually going to limit you to 5 questions total.
What?
Yeah.
That's not fair.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
You're
I
nervous.
feel like you're going to get makeup all over my clothes.
Well, I
I
mean,
feel like I'm going to look like a clown.
this wasn't my idea, man. So we're going Paracone. We love this one. It's got the SPF in it. Everyone, you guys need the SPF.
Am I dripping?
Yes.
All right.
Save your skin, everyone. You need SPF. Is he a doctor? Is he a real doctor? Dr. Paracone?
He
Wait.
is.
Wait, that doesn't count as one of my questions, by the way.
I didn't answer, so
Okay,
you're
good.
still good.
Okay, good. NARS concealer, our go-to vanilla. Duh. This is what we do up in the mob. There's none on here. Oh, is there? Oh,
There it is.
it's very light.
That counted as a question.
Oh,
So
come
answer.
on. Go in the V. Make that V, ladies. Fill it in, dudes. Patrick Star, I see you. Do that, Jazz. Do that. Okay.
Martin, why do we go in a V?
I don't know. Cause you want to get all around.
No, I think I've said this a million times.
I feel like I'm taking a test and I'm failing.
We'll see how well you do.
It brightens up your under eyes. Duh.
That's what I said. I said it brightens
No,
up
you
your
said
under
it
eyes.
goes all the way around.
Well, yeah. I mean, it goes all the way around. We need to blend this better. I think we need to do some dabbage.
Are you going to start moonlighting as a makeup artist?
How do you know I'm not already? Don't hate. Don't hate. Bake. Let's bake.
Oh my god, I feel like you're going to get it all over me.
I feel like I'm gonna get it all over me. Ugh. So we are using our good old Kat Von D, the best baking ever.
He does pay attention.
Good old Kat Von D. Go get a tattoo and then go get some makeup. This stuff goes a long way. I think you put some up top too. Maybe on your eyebrows a bit. Just so it can we can highlight the eyebrows.
Is that a question?
No, that's a confident statement right there. Oh wait, I know what we should do. Dude, it's Ani. We gotta do your eyebrows.
Okay.
Duh. Listen, guys, if you've been watching, you know that Ani loves a good full eyebrow. So, this is what we're doing. So, of course, we gotta brush up. And if you want to see Ani's microblading extravaganza, click that link right there. Ani, you actually have really good eyebrows. I don't know why you say that they're like patchy.
Because I did microblading.
Oh, duh.
Duh.
Microblading. Duh, everyone. What is this? Oh, this is the primer. You usually put it on with your fingers. I don't want to put it on with my fingers, though.
Here, you can use.
I feel like my hands are dirty. Well, they're not dirty, but...
But you're right, I do use my... See, this is getting bad for us, Nora. He remembers way too much stuff.
Does that hurt?
No.
Nora always goes... She goes, here's your crease. Eye, open, crease. Eye, open, crease. I think that's what I'm going to do.
That brush is aggressive. That's
Well-
not a grease brush. No, show us that brush again, Wyatt.
I mean...
It's my contour brush.
Oh, shizen. Here we go. Here's what we do.
Okay, good.
Wait, look at the camera. See, that's not bad, actually. I do remember, though, that we had to contour. So, and I only remember because I was going to use this big-ass contour brush to do your eyeshadow, and you said that's my contour brush. So I was like, oh, yeah, we got a contour. Steal it all day, every day, up in this contour bronze. What color is this? Light? Contouring bronzer for face and body. Stay all day light. Let's contour the hell out of you. Give me them cheekbones. There you go. Ani does cheekbones. Her little, like, jawline thing right here. Jawline. And then we do top. Oh, there it is. Sorry. The little baby hairs are getting all over the place.
I'll let them know they should stop.
Oh, no, wait. I'm not using that. I'm gonna use this.
Are you sure?
Now that you said that, I'm going back to this.
No. You were right. You picked up the wrong brush.
Oh. Oh, my contour brush.
Sure.
But it already has contour stuff on it. Wait. I'm gonna use this big mother. Dose of colors. What number is this? Oh, large powder. Duh! It says right on the brush handle. If you would put it bigger, I would have known dose of colors, so heads up. That's a damn good contour. I can see your cheekbones for sure. Oh, and NYX Lid Lingerie. It's a go-to here at the Mob. Nora and
Sure
Ani
is.
love them some NYX Lid Lingerie tint. And I can see why. Look at that color, everyone. It is fantastic. That doesn't hurt, does it?
No.
Oh, okay.
But this does dry quick.
Oh, okay. 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 Blending.
Is it using the right brush, Nora?
Yes.
Yes. What if it was gender reversed and like men were the ones that,
That
had
dries
to like...
quickly.
Oh,
Hurry up.
shizen. We gotta get off that baking powder.
No, you forgot to crease. You just put a base. Where's the darkness there?
Oh!
Martin, come on!
You mean the mauve? The
Yeah.
marvelous mauve dose of color?
There you go.
No.
Your love for aggressively large brushes is...
Well, you would think that like you want to get it done quickly, so you get a
No.
big ass brush, right?
That's
Like,
totally something a guy would think.
like get it done. Let's get a big brush and let's get going. I'm gonna use this guy.
Okay, good.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
This one, Bedelium Tools 785. Duh, the 785. That's what you always use to crease eyeshadow. I don't
How's
know.
he doing, Nora?
It's not bad.
No?
I'm going the middle.
Okay.
Tap off the excess. Open your eye. Crease. What Nora always said. I'm pretty sure Nora has said that like 20 times. Where's your crease? Open your eye. There's your crease. Where's your crease? Open your eye. There's your crease. Close your eye. Open your eye. There's your crease.
Peter!
Close your eye. I need to use my left hand. Close your eye. Open your eye. There's your
There's your
crease.
crease.
There's your crease. There it is. If you take away anything from today, everyone, know that when you close your eye, open your eye, there's your crease. Now let's get off that baking.
Okay.
That baking powder. Just kind of brush it away. You guys always just kind of like brush things away at the end. Like once. Oh, shh. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You guys just kind of like do that jazz and you kind of blend it in.
Okay, what's left?
Your lips.
And?
Not your eyelashes.
No. You tried to use the brush earlier for it. It's this brush.
Oh, blush. Where's your blush? You're mint like you meant it. We're not doing that one?
That's Nora.
Oh, that's
Like
Nora.
you meant it.
Yeah, yours
See,
is
since
what?
you didn't ask any questions, I'm going to help you. This is the blush.
This is your brush, your Avon? What color is this? Plum Pop. Duh. Plum Pop. Ani likes to go apples of the cheeks. And she does that jazz. Give me the other apple. Now, we're doing some lip. Look at all those. Just look at that.
My
Look at all those colors. I'm gonna go with Galactic Iconic.
Oh, you're doing red. Okay.
I mean, you're iconic. ModaMob is iconic.
Okay.
Ani's iconic. Nora's iconic.
You're very brave for going red first. Let's
Why?
do it. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's do it.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't go with your.
No, let's do it.
Okay, cool.
I need to zoom in on this one.
You guys always do. Wait, don't smile. I don't want to get it on your teeth. You guys always do. Nora always goes X. Do an X. X. And then go in. Oh, dude.
It's actually V, not an X, but sure. Ani just got an X. Oh my god. All
Ani,
your
stop
hard
smiling.
work just went to crap right now, Martin. What are you doing?
Wait, I could fix it. I could fix it.
Do V, not X.
Wait, I could fix it. Hold on.
Oh wow.
Ani keeps laughing.
You weren't good at coloring, huh, when you were a kid?
No, I wasn't. I was pretty impatient. I never stayed within the lines. Let me see. Do you like the pucker? There we go. Wait, that's not that bad, you guys. I just gotta fix the top. But I don't really know how. Oh, wait, I know how. Do the Oh, damn. Okay, wait, I gotta fix that.
No,
No.
I'm just gonna save you now. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Do you want to even out? Is that what you want to do?
I need to fix, like, because there's, like, a part that just, like, went all crazy.
Like you need to clean it or fix it?
Yeah, clean it.
Clean it. Okay. Let's do it with...
Wipes?
Yeah, there's no
I can't
fixing
see.
it.
I don't know what's happening. Nora will guide you through it.
Yeah, I can fix it. Watch this.
How's he doing, Nora?
Dude, the lips messed me up.
That's why we said don't do red.
I feel like I had it before the lips. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where I go from here. It's kind of tough.
That's it, we're done.
I don't know, like, the lip kind of, like, threw me off. Because I didn't really... I should have put some lip liner. Huh.
I'm gonna zoom in on Ani right now.
I'm really curious to see how I'm looking.
I should have done some lip liner. Damn!
I made your life easier. I had put a pink that was like going to be a nude color and you went with red.
Well, I'm gonna go big.
Okay, so can I see what I look like?
Yeah, I feel like it's good until the lip.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what did you do to my lips? Okay, okay. The blush is a little extreme and so are the eyes.
I think the eyes are popping.
I think the lips are popping, guys.
See, I should have gone nude. I should have gone nude lip.
You guys, if you want to enter our giveaway, you have to be subscribed to our channel. You have to leave a comment below. And you have to like this video. Tell us how you think Martin did.
Listen, I didn't do that bad except for the lip, okay? Go easy on me.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.